Llyfais y llwy yn Llanberis. Gwell nofio mewn llyn na pwll. So that means I licked the spoon in Llanberis, and better to swim in a lake than a pool. The S sound is actually called a voiceless alvelor lateral fricative. I've been looking it up online, and I've actually realised the same sound or similar sound exists in Icelandic, Hmong, Zulu, Cherokee, loads of languages. I thought it was just a couple, but it's a very common sound in Welsh, and if you do come to Wales, you're going to need to be able to pronounce a lot of place names like Llandudno, Llanberis, Llanbedrog. So, how to make this sound? Okay, there are two ways that I know, there might be more. Put your mouth in an L position, so you know when your tongue is touching the back of your teeth as if you're about to say ll. But don't make the sound, instead blow with your mouth in that position, so you get okay, it's quite soft, but it's another way is if you do an S sound, S for sugar, but you start to move your tongue forward as you're saying the sound. So you do something like this. There's a point where your tongue starts to go forward and you're no longer able to do the S sound, but it goes into a sh. So, oh, there it is. So let's try it with a few words. Let's try Llanberis. Okay, Llanberis. Llanberis. Great. Now, let's try the whole sentence that you probably never have to say. Llyfais y llwy yn Llanberis. Okay, so Llyfais, llwy, Llanberis. Llyfais y llwy yn Llanberis. And gwell nofio mewn llyn na pwll. Put this one so you can get when S sneaks up on you in the middle or at the end of a word. So gwell, gwell, gwell nofio mewn llyn na pwll. Okay, so pwll. Okay. You don't always have to pronounce it really strongly. It's not like, you know, if you say something like ti'n dod allan, it's quite soft. So you coming out, it's like ti'n dod allan. So try it, let me know how it goes.